This is unboxing the Asus ZenBook S13 OLED. As you can see, it's broken open. Yeah. Now, bringing the actual part out. Yeah. And that's the accessory box that has the power adapter. See the power adapter. Cables, plug. And we have the laptop sleeve. Then you can just slide that inside the sleeve. And here is the real laptop itself. Unboxing. Here's the specification sticker. Okay, that's the actual laptop itself. And that's the manual. The paper film is to protect the screen. Yes, this is the ZenBook S13 OLED. You see the USB port. More ports. Really slim and very light. And that's the charger, how it looks. It's a 65 watts charger. And of course, like and follow for more videos. Thank you.